Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can uninstall updates on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all we need to go to the setting. I'm going to click on the start menu, and then I'm going to open up my settings, and in the settings we need to go to the Windows update. Okay, and then you can scroll down until you find the update history, and then if you want to uninstall the updates on your Windows, you can click on uninstall updates right here, and then you can select the update you want to uninstall and just click on uninstall, but I'm not gonna do it guys. And if you found it's difficult to find the Windows to find the uninstall updates, you can simply search for the uninstall updates menu. Just type in uninstall update. Okay, and you will be able to open this menu quickly. Okay guys, and that's all the way to uninstall updates on Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.